Burj El Babas is a residential development located near the Turkish town of Mudurnu in Bolu City in Turkey. Burj Al Babas project involved the construction of 732 three-story luxury villas, all very similar to each other and characterized by elements of Gothic, English and American architecture. Meanwhile, the cylindrical towers with dormer windows and the square towers with balustrades were inspired in particular by the Galata Tower in Istanbul and by the so-called Maiden's Tower located on an island in the Bosphorus Strait a few hundred meters from the city. There would be a dome-structured shopping center, health and beauty facilities such as Turkish baths, a mosque, a movie theater and other facilities open to residents. The houses were on sale for between $370,000 and $530,000 US. The project was aimed at Arab market from Dubai, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and some others. Construction began in 2014 and continued until 2018, where the Arab customers stopped payment of the installments, mostly due to political reasons between Turkey and Arab countries, and consequently, the developer went into bankruptcy. When I visited the site at the end of August 2021, I was told that the negotiations started again and they were expecting the construction to continue in September 2021. The music video of the popular song Lose Control by Medusa, Becky Hill and Good Boys was taken at this Burj Al Babas villas as well.